Hello and welcome to Anita Life of Wellness. Today's video is one that you don't want to miss. We're discussing the new and improved doTERRA products that were revealed at the doTERRA convention last week. We have new products that cover joint discomfort, skin health, gut health, immune support, also emotional support, and of course so much more. So join me as we dive in after the prayer. Our Father in heaven, we humbly bow our heads before Thee and thank Thee for this beautiful day. We thank Thee for this opportunity to learn and grow and to take into our lives those things that will make us better, that will help us to achieve our goals, that will allow us to be better friends and family members. We ask that Thou wilt help us to be examples of Thee in all that we do. And this we say in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Do you know about Shinrin Yoku? It's Japanese for forest bath. Forest bathing is as simple as going out into the trees and soaking in the sensations of being outdoors. Inspired by the Japanese practice, this essential oil blend brings the aromas of nature to you. The Shinrin Yoku blend includes distilled lemon essential oil, as opposed to that traditional cold-pressed lemon. It has patchouli, magnolia, Siberian fir, cypress, cardamom, hinoki, lavandin, pink grapefruit, geranium, and lemon petitgrain essential oils. It creates a unique aroma that is woody, citrusy, and floral. The essential oils in this blend were chosen for their terpene content. Terpenes are also known as phytoncides and are a type of chemical compound found in the essential oils of some plants and are specifically associated with the benefits of forest bathing. So the next time you wish you were sitting in a grove of trees and sunshine, close your eyes, diffuse some Shinrin Yoku, and enjoy the next best thing. Let this blend transform the atmosphere of your home, car, workspace, or wherever you may be into one that is grounding, harmonious, and refreshing. This blend is also available in a convenient 10 ml pre-diluted roller bottle. That means that the fractionated coconut oil in the Shinrin Yoku Touch not only reduces any skin sensitivity, ensuring easy application for the whole family, but it also increases absorption into the skin. Okay, and finally, the Serenity plus Valerian stick is a valuable addition to the new 3-part Serenity sleep system, which complements the existing Serenity oil and the reformulated Serenity Softgels. Now, we're going to talk more about that later. Remember, quality sleep is a cornerstone of a healthy metabolism. Yet, a startling statistic reveals that 2 in 3 Americans aren't getting enough sleep on a daily basis. And that's with 55% struggling to fall asleep. The ramifications of inadequate sleep are far-reaching, impacting our emotions, our patience, our metabolism, our hormones, cognition, brain function, immune function, and every system in our body. Sleep is the time when our bodies rebuild and some cellular waste is eliminated during restorative sleep. It is the foundation of our health, as evidenced by many EEG studies showing that lavender found in doTERRA Serenity products promotes longer restorative sleep even after just one night of exposure. The unmatched purity and consistency of doTERRA's lavender set the bar for other lavenders, and quality sleep is known to reduce inflammation as well. The Serenity sleep system encourages quality rest with the Serenity plus Valerian stick, featuring valerian root at therapeutic doses. This moisturizing stick carries a floral, lightly sweet scent that induces relaxation. It's versatile and suitable for application on the bottoms of the feet, the chest, and the back of the neck, and can be massaged into the skin to stimulate circulation. It's designed for both adults and children, and the Serenity Sleep System offers a holistic approach to achieving restorative and rejuvenating sleep. You can diffuse the Serenity oil, take the Serenity gel caps, and apply the Serenity Valerian stick to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the updated Serenity Softgels that now includes tart cherry, which increases your body's natural melatonin production. Serenity Restful Complex Softgels are a natural solution for occasional sleeplessness. The softgels have lavender, lemon balm, passion flower, chamomile, L-theanine, and tart cherry. That lavender taken internally often produces longer periods of quality sleep, and the L-theanine may lower stress by increasing levels of GABA in the brain. The natural formula encourages restful sleep without leaving you groggy the next day. And all of this is packaged in a vegan softgel capsule. Get your sleep on. It's one of the 4 pillars. We need to get better sleep. If you need help getting your Serenity Softgel system ordered, message me in the comments below. Put @Anita Life, and I'll get back to you. So doTERRA came out with a new toothpaste. What is it? Supermint toothpaste. Fluoride-free and combined with the refreshing flavor of doTERRA Supermint Mentho Blend, this toothpaste is full of safe, natural ingredients that help keep your mouth clean and healthy while also polishing and whitening the teeth. The peppermint and spearmint essential oils are known for their oral health benefits. They may support reduced plaque and a clean mouth. It also has hydroxyapatite. That's a naturally occurring substance and an important ingredient in the Supermint toothpaste because experimental research indicates it helps remineralize and restore tooth enamel. We need that. That's important for keeping your teeth healthy and preventing enamel erosion. Hydroxyapatite helps your teeth feel stronger and less sensitive to hot and cold. I know since I've been using not the Supermint, but the regular toothpaste, my teeth have become a lot less sensitive to heat and cold. Another important ingredient is the hydrated silica. It's a gentle, natural abrasive that'll help polish and whiten teeth while removing those stains. And then there's calcium carbonate, which also may support teeth whitening. And finally, we've got xylitol, and that just helps, it's a natural sweetener that's also good for oral health. I hope you found this video useful, and so remember to hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Also, check the link in the description to get your hands on the ebook to learn more about these new doTERRA products and their benefits to you. Until next time, see ya.